National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Lights, Wisconsin, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, on